Hello and welcome to ClassMaster. In this short video we will look at a small part of what ClassMaster can do for your language school. Many of the features you will see in this video are optional and your school can choose which it wants to use and when. Alerts. The Alerts dashboard is the first page that school administrators and teachers see when they log in. These alerts tell you when preset limits that you have created have been triggered. Here are some of the most popular. If you need to know how many places are free on your public courses, this real-time alert will keep you informed. Students whose enrolment is ending will appear. Students who are missing lessons are shown so you can alert parents or talk to the student. And if an invoice is unpaid or an instalment missed, this too will appear. There is also a full range of alerts to cover the academic side of the school. Other alerts mainly deal with expiration dates of contracts, work permits, and last but not least, teacher and student birthdays. Academic management. We saw in the last video section a variety of alerts, some of which are designed to help academic management. Here is a quick overview of some other parts of the system that relate to academic management. Courses. All your courses are easily at hand and can be searched and filtered by a wide range of fields. If you click on a course, it will take you to the course card, which displays the basic course information, plus all the items connected to the course, such as needs analysis, a list of students on the course teachers, monthly progress reports, plus other related items including every lesson the course has scheduled. Scheduling. ClassMaster creates schedules for all your classrooms and your teachers. If you click on an item, it will show you what is scheduled, and you can edit any item connected to the lesson from here. You can also search for teachers who are free at certain times. There are also individual monthly schedules for both rooms and teachers, which can be linked into Google Calendar. Teachers. All your teachers are listed together. If you click on the teacher, it will take you to the teacher's card, where all their details are stored. You can also upload teacher certificates, CVs and references and keep them where you need them. Prospective students. Schools very often simply file away and forget about inquiries received. Now with ClassMaster they are stored as prospective students and become a valuable marketing tool. Here is an example of a typical school's contact page. Students fill in their details and after they click enter, as well as sending you an email, an alert appears on the dashboard that a new application has been received. And then a card is created with the prospect's details. You can use this card to keep a record of contacts made and program ClassMaster to remind you to call students. These reminders appear as alerts on your dashboard. Personalised emailing. Another great feature is the ability to send personalised emails to all your prospective students. Here we can see an email using their first name and the course they are interested in. When this is sent, each recipient will receive an email with their personal details filled in. This is a great way to regularly use your school's prospective students list in promotions and special offers easily and effectively. Analyse your data. To find out where your prospective students are coming from, you can search and filter within ClassMaster or export to Excel, and in a few clicks you can see where your marketing budget gets the best results. Upload your old data. Finally, if your school does have lists of prospective students filed away and forgotten, don't forget we can upload them into your ClassMaster account so you can finally start to use them. Course enrolment. ClassMaster offers an easy but effective way to enroll students in courses. At the heart of this feature is the master price list. This contains all the items which your school offers to public course students. They are broken down into 3 categories: courses, materials and sundries. On the student's card we have a section which has the student's enrolment details. This has the student's details or billing details if different. The last section is for Spanish schools which collect instalments for lessons via direct debit. For those schools, ClassMaster can create a CSV file for automatic payment collection. To create an enrolment and the items associated with it, you add the relevant dates and choose the items the student wants from the master price list. When you have finished selecting, you have three options. Firstly, create a pro forma invoice. This contains all the information necessary for the student to pay, but is not a tax document. Secondly, you can create a full invoice complete with all the tax details. And finally, if you wish, you can create a contract between your school and the students. Student management. Student information is neatly organised and centrally stored. Keep phone numbers, addresses, emergency contacts and the student's entire financial and academic history within your school in one easy-to-reach place. Here we can see an overview of the student's enrolment and attendance history, their invoicing history and any balance outstanding, plus payments made and scheduled to be made. Accounting and finance. ClassMaster contains a wealth of information to keep you up to date with the financial situation of your school. Company invoicing. Invoices are created on a monthly basis and charged for what lessons were taught or cancelled. Here we can see a summary of the company invoices and the various charges. If we click on Invoice, we can see the actual invoice and also a detailed breakdown of how the invoice is made up. You can also view all your monthly company invoices combined in one place and broken down by course, price, what the planned lessons were, and what was taught, cancelled, etc. Teacher invoicing. ClassMaster calculates teachers' pay on an hourly rate basis. The teacher invoice list summarises your teachers' pay totals. You can also see a detailed breakdown of every invoice and again a combined total of your teachers' pay. Student invoicing. This will show you what your sales are and which students have an outstanding balance. Clicking on the print icon will give you the underlying invoice. Student finance list. This gives you a breakdown of all the items that you have invoiced to public course students. Like many other items in ClassMaster, this can easily be exported to Excel and you can analyse by courses, materials, discounts given, etc. Student payments list. Shows all payments made or scheduled to be made. You can easily search the payments to show all outstanding payments or filter to show you the expected cash income between certain dates. And for language schools in Spain that collect payments by direct debit, we can export payments and create a CSV file that works as directed by the Association of Spanish Banks. Teachers login. ClassMaster is a tool for teachers to store and recall all their teaching records and offer improved communication with students and school administrators alike. After logging in, teachers are taken to their own dashboard and anything that is scheduled for them to complete is highlighted. Typically, these are attendance and various course reports. Here is an example of a teacher completing the attendance. The teacher clicks on the item to be updated, the attendance form appears, and the teacher fills in the attendance. Once the item has been completed, it is removed from their dashboard and stored in the system. Teachers can also search through their courses, upload homework, check the course syllabus, and refer back to previous lesson comments and reports. Teachers can print out registers and view and update their schedules themselves so that school administrators are working with the most up-to-date information. Finally, if teachers are paid on an hourly basis, they can use ClassMaster to calculate their pay for them and produce invoice figures and a salary breakdown. Student login. Students' ability to access their study data will help build student loyalty to your school. When students log in, they are taken to a series of user-friendly pages for them to see their academic and financial records. The first page the student sees is a summary of their courses, followed by details of all the items they have bought from your school and of all the payments they have made or are scheduled to make. The last page contains sites that you recommend to students as useful for their studies. If a student clicks on a course, they will get all the academic information on the course. Needs analysis, course syllabus, monthly progress reports, attendance for every lesson, and a summary of their attendance on the course. Lesson comments show what was covered in individual lessons and coursework which can be downloaded. HR Manager Login. For HR managers, online access to ClassMaster provides them with an invaluable assistant to help them in their work. Here are a few examples of what they can see. The first shows the standard contract terms that you have agreed with them. Then company goals, a summary of what your client wants to achieve overall for their company. A list of all their company's courses and of all their students, and the courses they are enrolled in with attendance summaries. If the company's employees have individual educational budgets, these will be shown here. Other items here concern invoicing and payments made. All of these items are fully searchable by the HR manager to help them find the data that they need. If a course is selected, then all the academic details about the course are displayed. ClassMaster gives you a competitive advantage and the opportunity to deliver a professional impression and improve customer service to your existing and potential corporate clients. Documents. ClassMaster can generate all kinds of documents with your own design or from our templates. Here are some examples. Student certificates, assessments, receipts, contracts, pro forma invoices, student invoices, and company invoices. And remember, ClassMaster comes with unlimited online storage for all your documents. Questionnaires. Learn what your school is doing right and what can be improved. Questionnaires can be sent out via email, put on your website or Facebook page. All answers are anonymous and can be easily collated to provide detailed summaries that evaluate the satisfaction of students with their courses and school. You will find the feedback from students invaluable in making the most important decisions about your school. Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you have found this quick overview of ClassMaster useful and that you can see ways in which it can take your school to the next level. We are so confident that ClassMaster will meet your needs that we offer a 6-month free trial. If you would like to start your free trial or would like an online demonstration of ClassMaster, please send an email to info@classmaster.eu.